Hi folks, welcome back to the Horde. So, another lesson in redneck repairs. My son was having trouble with his bicycle. He stripped the end of the pedals, and he wanted to replace these, but he didn't have the tool that goes in here, and you tighten it and it pushes these off. It pushes it off the pedal shaft, pedal cam, whatever you want to call it. So these go like that. This goes here. And obviously there's a pedal here, and here's where that goes. So, how to get this apart without the proper tool? And the correct answer is a 4-inch grinder. So what you do is you grind the heck out of it, which the heat and just you have less material allows this to loosen up on the shaft, and you could rock it right off. So a little bit of redneck bicycle repair. See folks, there's very little you can't do with a 4-inch grinder. The trick is you can't be afraid to remove things. Like I couldn't get in to grind any of that loose until I cut the sprocket off. So that was easy, cut that right off. And then, just worked on this thing until it was thin enough. And I was able to pry that right off with a hammer. Obviously, that's one side, another carnage. And here's the other. And look, I got aluminum for scrap metals. Alright folks, live, love, and have a great time. Catch you on the next episode of The Horde.